Well, hello there, friends. So today what we're going to be talking about is this. I got a LiTime battery here, LiPo battery, 12 volt, 100 amp hour that LiTime sent out to me because they wanted me to give it a quick test, something that I haven't seen yet, but maybe somebody else has already done it. But anyway, I'm going to see how this powers our washing machine because we have an off-grid small array. It's just a very small array, maybe 200 watts. Panels, and which is should be enough to charge this battery up. But what I'm going to be powering is a full-size washing machine and a water pump that we have. So let's go give it a try. So what I have here is three 100-watt solar panels. So this video is not going to be technical. It's really going to be just like real world, user experience. So I'm just going to say it like it is. I'm a user and I got this battery for the purpose of powering the washing machine. Well, this is the washer right here. So it's pretty basic, and it's also an inverter direct drive. Okay, I got that for energy savings. So let's see how it does with that. This is where I keep my batteries. I just keep them in the box right here. What I've been using are these Marine RV AGM batteries. So they're about 100 amp hour each. So that's about 200 amp hours, and that's what I've been running. And they've been working well with this washer here. But what we're going to do now is we're going to change these out for the LiTime. Okay, now we have an install. I got my water pump hooked up, and I have the battery hooked up. And this is what I'm running it on right here. And I have a 2000 watt smart power inverter for the washing machine. To verify, we're starting off at 100% state of charge. Okay, here we go. So it's powering the washer pretty good, powering the water pump pretty good. Got water coming out. Well, now it's in wash mode. Just finished that. It's like it's going to switch over to rinse. I can hear the water going out. This is what I'm using for a 12 volt pump, water pump. Now we got the water for the rinse. So we have full sun. Looks like 158 watts coming through the panels right now. Still 100% charged. And the water pump is pumping away. So far, a pretty good little workhorse. Now for the rinse cycle. And now for the bonus extra rinse. Run it a little bit longer than normal. Well, it looks like you handled that one beautifully. Okay, the cycle is complete. And here we are with the final result. Look at that. To tell you the truth, I'm a little shocked and surprised that this one little 100 amp hour battery was able to power all that. Granted that we have full sun, which helps the battery, helps to keep it charged. But for my purpose here and what we're doing, I think that we're going to be doing great. So look in the description below for an exclusive 6% off discount code and the website link. So until next time, we'll see ya.